Hey, content creator, how's it going? My name is Peyton Igo. I just recently moved out of my parents' house and into this, well, my own home office, my own apartment studio for the first time. The reason I was able to do this is because of the things that I learned inside of the Cinemarketing Cheat Code. Now, let me tell you, at first I was a little bit skeptical. Okay, I was perhaps like you. I watched an ad and then I went through landing pages, see what Kashyyyk was saying, and but everything that he said was just like, wow, this is exactly what I'm struggling with. I'm not making sales. I'm not able to position myself in the marketplace. I know that video is valuable, but I just have a very loose image of how to describe that and portray that to customers. If that's you, you definitely need to join the program. You've got to become a member of the Cinemarketing Cheat Code. And let me tell you just why it is. Because I was in such a bad way that, I was making $50 a week in an interim pastor position. Okay, $50 a week, I could go maybe take me and my fiance out to eat twice, right? But that's not enough. That's not enough to live on. I was looking to get married and all of this stuff, everything just compiled. School, lack of money, not being able to even sell any of my services, free or otherwise. And it affected my health. And I got to the point that I developed an autoimmune condition because I was just so worried, so wound up in everything. You don't want to find yourself in that position. You've got to join the Cinemarketing Cheat Code. It'll help you go to the next level. I liken Kashyyyk to Obi-Wan Kenobi to your Luke Skywalker. I mean, straight up. The guy, not only is the stuff in his course just excellent, but he's right there for you. Lets you know he's supportive, encouraging, calls you on your nonsense, but helps you get to that next level. So I personally highly recommend the Cinemarketing Cheat Code. Now, this is the one tip I will give you with it. When you get it, go through it a little bit at a time. Go it by week, by week, by week. Don't try to go in and research it all at once, because that is going to severely slow down your progress. Go through a little bit and put it into action. I was one of those people who's like, I want to get the full look at the map before I start going. No, you've got to just follow the steps. Follow each step, trust the process, and it will pay off. All right. Thank you for your time. I hope you enroll in the Cinemarketing Cheat Code.